Hi guys, good morning. We are gonna try a different type of YouTube video today, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. But before we get started, I wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit that bell for notification for every time I upload a new video, and if you guys feel so inclined, you guys can hit that super thanks. So today I'm going to take you guys through my Sunday morning routine. And basically, I'm just going to be doing a voiceover through all of the things that I do, and maybe if you listen, you might learn a little bit more about me. Okay, so let's get started. I wake up pretty early on the weekends just so I can utilize the whole day, but the very first thing I do before anything is make my bed. You will never, ever catch me not making my bed. The only time that I would ever not make my bed is if hell froze over. And y'all know that's never gonna happen. Then I head to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I put my contacts in, and I brush up my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and moisturize these dry ass lips. I absolutely love having a decaf coffee in the morning, and that may sound crazy to some of y'all, but I don't drink caffeine simply because I don't need the extra energy. But I must say that this is one of my most favorite things to do in the morning. There's just something about having coffee, throwing on some music on a Sunday morning. There might be nothing better. Oh, and while you're catching up with friends on the phone. I love it. I'm pretty simple when it comes to food, to be honest with you guys, just because I have celiac, I don't eat meat. There's just a lot of restrictions when it comes to food, so I try to keep things really simple, and that's just how I like it. Using my Caraway Pans, I'm grilling up some toast. I am grilling up a hash brown and also frying up an egg. Adding some peanut butter and banana and avocado, and I've got my complete yummy breakfast. Hey.
Yo, real quick, I just want to pray for your travels. Heavenly Father, and we just ask for safe travels. We praise your name. We love you, Lord. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen. I mean, I might have the best friends in the entire world. I'm gearing up to go on a trip for work. I'm shooting a commercial down in Delaware, and that's what we are praying about. Now it's time to dig in. Eating, taking my supplements, enjoying my hot coffee, and because I work for myself, I'm constantly working, and this is usually when I just check up on some emails. And then once my inbox feels a little bit less crazy, I pull out my content calendar, and this is how I schedule out my content for the week. I am a very organized person, and if I don't have it in my calendar, it's not happening. I put each single piece of content that I shoot on one of these stickies, and that way I can move them around. Okay, after breakfast, it's time to work out, and today I'm working out with Trainwell, a one-on-one personal training app who is sponsoring this next portion of today's video. You guys know I travel a lot, and it's really hard to stay on track with working out when I'm away. For me, staying consistent is key. If I'm not moving my body on the daily, my strength, stamina, my mood, my mental health are all affected. Working out is my main source of self-love, and it's a complete non-negotiable. Sometimes when I travel, all I have is a gym, and I really have no clue what to do. I don't have the tools or the knowledge to put together a solid workout that makes sense and is effective for my body the way that I need it to be. It's definitely a roadblock that deters me from working out on my own. I only take classes at the gym I belong to now because I don't know what to do on my own with the machines and the free weights. I need somebody to tell me what to do. With Trainwell, I basically have a personal trainer with me wherever I go, and I can take her into the gym with me now. Perhaps you're somebody who doesn't like the gym. Maybe it's just not convenient to get to a gym. Maybe you like to work out in the privacy and the convenience of your own home. Or maybe you travel a lot like me and need guidance from somebody to help motivate you to move your body. No matter what your roadblock is, Trainwell is the perfect solution. Okay, here's how it works. First, you download the app to your iPhone or your iPad where you'll fill out a questionnaire. These questions help match you with a personal trainer who has the expertise based on your needs and your goals. Just as a side note, once you are matched, you do have the opportunity to change to a different trainer if you'd like. Next, you'll meet with your personal trainer for an intro call where you'll go over all of your goals, your fitness experience, any injuries or limitations you might have. I love moving my body. It's a huge part of my life. It's like very important in terms of my mental health, but also like just my stamina and being able to, be as strong as possible. No matter what your body looks like, whether you want to lose weight or not, like, you should be moving your body, because there's so many more benefits to that than like what our exterior looks like. Like the interior aspect of moving our body is like, it's the most important. My goal really is to just get stronger. I don't want anything to limit me.
We can also talk about nutrition. I am a certified nutrition coach. We can craft a meal plan together.
Oh my God, I would love that.
So do we have any previous injuries or pain or anything like that?
No, I'm generally pretty healthy.
I definitely think functional strength training is going to be our sweet.
By the way, I loved my trainer. I feel like we would be friends in real life. She totally gets me and understands what I want to achieve with my trainwell experience. After your call, the trainer will build you a tailored fitness program. Once it's complete, they'll send it to you on the app. All right, so now you've got your program, it's time to get moving. In the app, you'll see all of your workouts that provide step-by-step details. I love that they each have a guide for each move in the event that you're unsure how to do it, and it also helps you with proper form.
Movement, you should really feel it fire up in your glutes and your quads.
The app is there for you through every step of your workout. If you have any questions or any feedback or concerns, your personal trainer is basically on call. You can easily message them through the app. That's why I love Trainwell so much. There's tons of flexibility. Also, it helps you maintain consistency if that's something you're looking for. I'm just getting back on my feet from a medical procedure, so this is the first week using the app, but they've helped me ease back into moving my body after not having moved it for an entire month. And y'all know that is not my norm. Paying a personal trainer at my gym is just not in the budget, but I desperately need the guidance. Trainwell is a fraction of the cost, and you get the same thing, a human experience with your very own personal trainer. I love Trainwell because they help you build long-term habits to be stronger, healthier, and more confident, which y'all know is my MO. So what's in it for you? Well, they're giving all of my followers a free trial, a free 40-minute call, and 14 days of free workouts with your very own personal trainer. Click my Trainwell link in the description box or go to trytrainwell.net/Meredith to get your free trial. Thank you so much to Trainwell for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to this workout.
Oh baby, I wanted you to be here inside my arms where the night goes down. Oh baby, I wanted you to be.
And please do not forget to stretch.
When the sun comes up and the day goes by.
All right, now it's time to shower off all of that sweat from the workout. But for real, you guys, like, Trainwell has literally changed my life, and you guys should definitely look into starting the free trial because it's just a game changer. All right, so this shower is going to be an everything shower, and an everything shower means I'm washing my hair, I'm conditioning my hair, I'm washing, exfoliating, shaving, you know, all the things. First on deck is this Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser that I use to wash my face. I typically double cleanse my face, but only when I have makeup on, and today I don't, so it's just one time. I have so much hair, and it's really hard to manage sometimes. I really only wash my hair once a week, A, because I have so much of it, and B, I actually have a pretty dry scalp. My hair does not get very oily, so luckily I don't have to wash it too often. You might not know this, but my hair is actually naturally curly. Today we're not doing a curly wash, which is a whole other process. Today is just a regular wash, and I'm using Olaplex because of that. But when I do want to wear a curly, I use curl shampoo and conditioner. I'm all about double cleansing my face, double shampooing my hair. I just want everything to be squeaky clean. Now we go in with the Olaplex conditioner. Wait, hold up, that's not enough. I need more. Your girl has a lot of hair, and we need enough conditioner to get these strands nice and smooth. Rinse, 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 and then we move on to the next step. Just using my good old Bar Dove soap to wash this body. And let me ask you guys a question. When was the last time y'all washed your backs? Be honest. Okay, but for real, like, y'all really need to be washing your backs as well. I just used this Japanese cloth I got off of Amazon. Now it's time to get these legs smooth. And of course, I found the prettiest razor in the store. I'm using this Venus razor that has flowers all over it. And I was so tempted to not post this video, you guys, because this is the most unaesthetic bathroom you might have ever seen. I either need to move, or can we please just like normalize people's normal looking spaces? I mean, or not. It would be nice to watch this video if it was in a really pretty place, right? I don't know if you guys just caught it, but I kind of just broke like the #1 rule of hair when you get out of the shower. Don't ever be like Meredith. Don't be like me. Don't use a regular towel on your hair. It's basically like the #1 hair sin of all time. But because I'm not wearing it curly and I'm not planning on wearing it down and it's just about to go up, it doesn't matter. Now that these brows are in place, it's time for the #1 beauty product I use. Dun dun dun! Sunscreen. Every day, baby. I sort of wish my mom was more of an a-hole to me when I was younger to tell me and make me and force me against my will to put sunscreen on every day. I mean, I'm gonna do that to my kids. It's so important. It is not a step that anybody should skip. Chapstick always. And now let's get ready for shooting my commercial. We're gonna pack all of my makeup and my beauty products that I need to take with me. And on Sundays, I just think that it's like a really good time to sort of refresh everything, get everything in order, replace products that need to be replaced. So I'm just, refreshing my little tampon situation. And then we're really just gonna organize some other spaces and do some other things around the house. I have been meaning to tackle this little closet of mine. It is a tiny closet. There's not much storage space, but I've done the best that I could. And right now, she is super disorganized. I really cannot live in spaces that are disorganized. Like in my apartment, there is a place and a home for everything. Everything is super organized. So when I have a little tiny part of my apartment that's not organized and sort of in order, it just really clouds my mind and it just really does something to me. Okay, who am I kidding? It drives me nuts. Side note, this is what my hair looks like when it's drying. Crazy. All right, before we get dressed, we need to lotion up this body, and I use CeraVe because there's no extra additives and I think that it's safe, but who really knows? And because we have one more house project to do together, I'm just gonna throw on a very casual outfit. I just grabbed some leggings, a little bralette, and a sweatshirt, and we're gonna just call it a day. And if you guys haven't been in my closet yet, this is the current state of it. I've done some other videos updating the space, and I'm pretty happy with it so far. Just kidding, I still have to lotion my upper body, so let's get some more CeraVe on these arms and décolletage. We need to unash the ash and get this body smooth like butter. I mean, I may even have to take another shower after this because wait until you see what I'm about to do next. All right, it's happening. It's happening. Be prepared to see a woman with a power drill. So what did I decide to do on this amazing Sunday? I'm going to put up some extra shelves to basically give myself some more storage in my apartment that doesn't have any. These are the Melosa Ikea shelves. They basically are acrylic clear shelves that are perfect for housing any beauty products, makeup products, perfume, you name it. So instead of boring you guys with all this chit chat, I'm gonna just throw on some music and you guys can sit back and watch me make some magic happen in my bathroom. say that I'm really proud of myself for doing something like this, because I used to just spend money paying somebody else to do it for me, and once I learned how to do it, it's really not that hard. So that wraps up today's YouTube video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's Sunday reset video, and thank you so much again to Trainwell for sponsoring today's video. Please, you guys, go check out Trainwell. You're gonna thank me later. And as always, just a quick reminder to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell to get notification for every time I upload a new video. And you guys can hit that super thanks if you guys feel so inclined. I will see you guys next time. Let me know what you think of my shelves.